Hello and welcome. Now in this video, ladies and gentlemen, we are gonna take another Android development diagram to clear the stuff that we need to understand before start coding. And here we are gonna talk about the Kotlin file specifically. Okay, and if we open our Android Studio, let's open any Kotlin file. Here we have this, for example. Okay, here we have this Kotlin file that's related to our main activity. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's open our diagram. Now here we have this, the onCreate function is the first thing that will run when the app on a real Android device. Okay, what does that mean? Well, that means the code that we are gonna write here, okay, it will get executed once our Android or our Android app on a real Android device. Okay, so this is the really important thing that you need to understand, that our onCreate is the main function that will get executed once the user it's open our application. And here is a quick note for you, ladies and gentlemen. Each activity has its own onCreate function. Okay, so the correct point here is to say the onCreate function, it's the function that will get executed once the user open our activity. Okay, so set it like this. The onCreate is the main function that will get executed once the user open the activity that related to this onCreate function. And for example, if the user open this activity, okay, this onCreate function will get executed. If he open our login, okay, ladies and gentlemen, then this onCreate here will get executed. So this is depend on the activity that the user in. Okay, so each activity has its own create, ladies and gentlemen. So going back to our diagram, the Kotlin file that we have, it's just a Kotlin class. Okay, our Kotlin class is take all the functionality from the app compact activity, and the app compact activity is a class that contain everything that we need, and it's provided by the Android system. And this is the concepts of inheritance. Going back to Android Studio, let's open our main activity to Kotlin. Ladies and gentlemen, let's take the file from the top. Here we have this package com.py-addon.test. Now this is the package name of your Android application, so you need to ignore it because we are not gonna read it. Need it also. Here we have this import, and if you click on it, so as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, this is actually, once you create an empty project, it will be, for example, just 2 or 3 lines of code, and this is actually importing the stuff that we need. Okay, we really need, okay, from the Android system. For example, import android.support.v7. This is something that Android Studio cannot run, or we cannot create any application without of these tools. Okay, so Android Studio is just importing some of these. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, from the Android system in general, we are typing import. That means import Android, the Android system dot, we are getting the stuff that we need. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so this is how it works. So you do not need to work with them right now. Okay, and here we have this class. Okay, this is the class, the keyword class. That means we have a Kotlin class, and here we have the name of our class. Okay, in this case our main activity. But here in the login activity, let's open it. Here we have the class, we have login activity. Okay, so this is depend on the file name. And here we have this colon. Okay, now this colon, that's mean colon app compact activity. This is that mean it's this main activity. It's extend or take all the functionality from the app compact activity. Now the app compact activity, think of it like a big folder, or our father for all the thing that we need. Okay, so it has all the functionalities that come with the Android system, and we are extending some of the stuff that we need from it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so this is the explanation of our Kotlin class, so you need to understanding. Okay, now if we open this once again, here we have it right here. It's very simple. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so everything is clear, I think, for now. And this is the concept of inheritance. Okay, so for example, once you add a text, okay, to your project, okay, we are creating a text view. Okay, the text view is actually, we cannot get it like this. We can get it from this app comeback activity. Okay, so this is the idea behind the inheritance. Okay, we can get something from something else. Okay, and in this case we are extending our class from the app comeback activity, which contain all the functionality that we need. So that was our explanation about the Kotlin file and Kotlin class and the onCreate function also. Thank you guys so much for watching. We are gonna continue on in the next video.